You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Word pronunciation. Let's break down how it is pronounced in English, in British English and American English, which are similar. Cataclysmic. Alright, so let's break it down. There is a subtle detail that you need to make sure you got right. If you want to learn more vocabulary, stay tuned. I've got more. Cata, so it's not kata, but cataclys. It's an Z sound, alright? Not cataclysmic. I mean, it'd be fine to say it that way, but it's normally cataclysmic. Now, the American English pronunciation is generally more as cata, with a flap T, that sounds like a D. So, cataclysmic in American English pronunciation, or cataclysmic in British English. Now you know. Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.